In the heart of Tanzania's Ruaha River Valley, where the earth cracks under the sun's unrelenting gaze, the Glade stands as a fleeting oasis. Its waters, hidden beneath ancient sands, are both salvation and trap. Here, life and death dance a primal waltz, and the Glade Pride, keepers of this sacred ground, rule with cunning and claw. But a shadow looms. A rogue lion, cast out, hardened by exile, stalks the horizon. His name is Kwevu, and he carries a hunger not just for flesh, but for dominion. This is no tale of heroes or villains, only survivors, bound by blood and instinct in a world that forgives no weakness.
The buffalo come at dusk. With them, danger follows. I've seen prides crumble, cubs torn apart by strangers. Not mine, never mine.
Sarai, the unyielding. Nia, the swift. Zuri, the fire-hearted. Malkia, the wise. Together they are the Glade's unbreakable spine. But even they cannot see the storm approaching.
This glade will be mine. Its waters, its prey, its future. The pride will bow, or they will break.
Kwevu was not born a rogue. Once he was a son of the Glade, destined to lead. But pride law is merciless. Only one male can rule. Cast out, he wandered, survived, grew stronger. Now he returns not as a son, but as a conqueror.
Stranger, 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 stranger. Run, run. Death comes, run, death comes, run, run. Death comes, run, run. Stranger, death comes, stranger, death comes. Stranger, death comes, run, run. Stranger, death comes, run, run. Stranger, death comes, run, run.
The baboons don't scream for nothing. Something's here.
Stranger, death
Let
comes,
it come.
run, run.
I'll
Stranger,
tear its
death
throat
comes,
out
run,
myself.
run.
Eyes sharp. We hunt the giraffe first. No distractions.
The Glade Pride hunts not with strength alone, but with minds sharper than claws. Every move is a thread in a tapestry of death, woven with precision.
Glade, our kill. Let the scavengers weep.
A kill feeds the body, but vigilance feeds survival. Sarai knows the Glade's gifts come at a cost. Every meal draws eyes, hyenas, jackals, and worse.
They're strong, disciplined, but they're not ready for me. Not yet.
We're not alone. Something watches. Something familiar.
Malkia, speak. What do you sense?
A scent on the wind. One I knew long ago. A son of the Glade. But changed. Hardened.
Malkia remembers Kwevu as he was, a cub with a fire in his heart destined for greatness. But destiny is a cruel sculptor, carving away all but the strongest parts.
If this stranger thinks he can claim our glade, he'll choke on his own blood. We are the keepers. We are the law.
I am Kwevu, born of this glade, forged in its fires. I claim what is mine, your waters, your prey, your future. Step aside, or I will paint this earth with your bones.
You're no son of the Glade. You're a ghost, crawling at what you lost. Come closer, rogue. I'll send you back to the dust.
Two titans stand on the edge of war. The Glade Pride, bound by blood and loyalty. Kwevu, a solitary force of ambition and wrath. The Glade's waters will run red before this ends. But whose blood will it be?